Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Karbon software with a complete step-by-step tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will cover how to access the Karbon website, explore pricing, understand the main features, how to use collaboration tools, how to manage tasks and projects, how automation works, how email and calendars connect, how to manage clients, and how Karbon helps you improve workflow and productivity. Alright, let's begin. Karbon is a work management platform designed mainly for accountants, bookkeepers, and professional service teams. It helps you manage tasks, emails, deadlines, collaboration, and client communication in one organized system. To start using Karbon, the first step is to visit the official website at karbonhq.com. When you open the website, you will see different options on the top menu, such as login, book a demo, pricing, product, solutions, and resources. If you already have an account, you can sign in using your credentials. If not, you can choose the book a demo option. For this, you will need to provide your work email address and then click the confirm option so that the Karbon team can reach you. A sales representative will schedule a discovery call where they ask about your business needs and explain how Karbon can provide a customized solution. This call helps you understand whether the software is suitable for your accounting practice. However, if you do not want to share your information or prefer exploring the platform on your own, you can still learn everything from the homepage. The website contains detailed explanations about features, pricing, client stories, and use cases so you can understand how Karbon improves productivity. If you want to know pricing, open the pricing section from the top menu. Karbon has three main plans. The first one is the Team Package, which costs $49 per month per user when billed annually. This plan includes essential features like collaboration tools, work organization, task management, email integration, workflow automation, and basic reporting. The second plan is called Business, which is the most popular among medium to large accounting firms. It costs $59 per month per user annually and includes advanced automation, advanced reporting tools, improved analytics, and additional features that support complex firms. The third option is the Enterprise plan, which offers custom pricing for large organizations that require more security, more users, and advanced integrations. Once you understand the pricing, go to the Products section. This is where you learn what Karbon actually does and how it can help you. Karbon is mainly known for improving teamwork and reducing manual work through automation. One of its major features is team collaboration. This allows all members of your firm to communicate in real time. For example, instead of switching between email, chat, and separate task lists, you can communicate directly inside tasks. Team members can leave comments, assign work, provide updates, and track progress in one place. This improves transparency, reduces confusion, and helps everyone stay aligned. Another important option is workflow automation. With this feature, you can automate repetitive tasks such as client onboarding, monthly reporting, or document reminders. Karbon allows you to set rules so that when a specific action happens, the software performs the next step automatically. For example, if a document gets uploaded by a client, Karbon can automatically assign a task to the responsible team member. Similarly, it can trigger reminders when tasks become overdue. This reduces manual workload and ensures that work does not get delayed. Karbon also includes a strong project management system. Here you can create full projects for clients, assign tasks to your team, set deadlines, and monitor progress in real time. This helps firms avoid delays and ensures that each step is completed on schedule. You get a clear overview of every project, including the status of each task, upcoming deadlines, and pending items. This is especially useful when handling monthly bookkeeping, payroll processing, financial reports, or tax preparation. Next, you have time and budgets. This feature is useful for firms that want to track how much time is spent on each client or project. You can record working hours, measure team performance, and check whether a project is within the planned budget. If you want to know how much time was used for financial statements, planning, or tax work, Karbon lets you track everything accurately. The software also supports billing and payments. You can generate invoices, manage client payments, and handle billing directly from Karbon. After completing a project, you can create an invoice and monitor whether the client has paid it. This ensures smooth billing without switching to external tools. Karbon includes reporting and analysis tools that help you analyze productivity, track performance trends, and make better decisions for your organization. You can generate reports about team efficiency, project timelines, workload distribution, overdue tasks, and financial data. This helps managers plan resources, assign tasks fairly, and improve business performance. Artificial intelligence is another powerful feature inside Karbon. It helps automate intelligent tasks such as document categorization, data extraction, pattern detection, and workflow suggestions. Based on your team's past activity, AI can recommend improvements to optimize your processes. This increases speed and reduces manual effort. Email management is one of the strongest features in Karbon. Instead of switching between Gmail or Outlook, Karbon integrates your email directly into the platform. This means you can receive, read, and reply to emails inside Karbon. You can also convert emails into tasks and assign them to team members without leaving the system. In addition, Karbon includes powerful engagements that help teams manage client work from start to finish. Each engagement clearly outlines the scope, deadlines, and tasks involved, ensuring that every team member knows exactly what needs to be completed. This keeps projects organized and improves overall workflow transparency. Karbon also provides tax organizers and binders, which make collecting and managing client documents much easier. Tax organizers allow you to gather all required information from clients in a structured and streamlined format. Binders help you store, sort, and reference important documents in one secure place, reducing confusion and saving valuable time during tax season. Client management is another essential feature of Karbon. This allows you to store all client information in one place, including emails, tasks, documents, notes, timelines, and communication history. When you open a client profile, you see everything related to that client without switching between apps. This makes it easier to remain organized and improves customer service. Karbon recently added a client portal feature. This allows your clients to log in and check updates, access shared documents, send messages, upload files, and track the progress of their work. Instead of relying on long email threads, the client can simply log in to see the latest status. This increases transparency and saves time for both your team and the client. Karbon supports electronic signatures as well. This allows clients to sign documents digitally without needing to print or scan. It speeds up approvals and is especially useful for tax forms, agreements, or engagement letters. Document management is another strong part of Karbon. You can upload, store, and organize documents directly inside the software. Karbon maintains version control, so you always know which file is the latest. You can store contracts, bank statements, reports, worksheets, and other files in a structured format. Karbon integrates with several third-party applications through its ecosystem. You can connect Karbon with accounting software to sync financial information and automate data flow. This reduces manual entry and increases accuracy. For developers, Karbon offers an API Developer Center, which allows custom integrations for firms that need special functionality. Security is a major priority in Karbon. The platform uses enterprise-grade encryption, secure login options, and user access controls. You can control who has permission to view or edit certain information. This protects sensitive client data and helps firms meet industry security standards. Karbon also includes a section for frequently used features. This helps users quickly access tools that are used most often, improving efficiency. If you want to learn more, you can explore the resources section that includes articles, blogs, webinars, customer stories, and learning materials. So that is basically how you can use Karbon software. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.